Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beanbag chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Big Joe Classic Beanbag Chair in Spicy Lime. This is the ultimate kid-friendly beanbag chair that combines durability with a classic design. Made from a polyester nylon blend, the Smart Max fabric is both stain-resistant and easy to clean, making it a great choice for families with kids or pets. It's double-stitched for extra durability and features dual zippers for safety, ensuring the beans stay securely inside. In terms of performance, the Big Joe comes pre-filled with the ideal amount of polystyrene beans, striking a balance between firmness and comfort. It's lightweight at just 3.1 pounds and features a built-in handle for portability, making it easy for kids to carry from room to room. With its compact size of 27.5 inches in diameter and a height of 16 inches, this chair is perfect for smaller spaces like playrooms or bedrooms. While it's a solid option for kids and casual seating, it may feel underwhelming for adults due to its smaller size. On the plus side, it's affordable and backed by a well-known brand, making it a great entry-level option. However, the polyester material may feel less luxurious compared to some of the other options on this list. Overall, it's a fun, functional choice for families on a budget. Coming in at number 4 is the ILPOD 3-Feet Beanbag Chair. This beanbag offers a fantastic blend of comfort and versatility, making it a great choice for adults and teens alike. It features a super soft microfiber cover that's both breathable and skin-friendly, giving it a premium feel. What sets this chair apart is its memory sponge filling, which provides excellent support and doesn't sag over time, even with extended use. The removable, machine-washable cover makes maintenance a breeze, which is a big plus for busy households. The ILPOD beanbag is designed for versatility, with a medium size of 33 inches in diameter and 22 inches in height. Whether you're using it as a reading chair, dorm chair, or lounging spot in the living room, it fits right in. The neutral gray color adds a modern touch, making it suitable for a variety of interior styles. However, it does arrive compressed, so you'll need to give it some time to fully expand after unboxing. While this chair is a step up in comfort and functionality, it's worth noting that it's slightly heavier at 19.5 pounds, which could make it less portable. Additionally, the memory sponge filling may not provide the same lightweight feel as traditional beans. Overall, it's a great choice for those seeking a stylish and durable beanbag chair for everyday use. At number 3, we have the Edujin Large Beanbag Chair for adults and kids. This 3-foot beanbag is all about luxury and comfort, featuring a plush Dutch velvet cover that's smooth, skin-friendly, and stain-resistant. It comes pre-filled with high-rebound memory foam, which offers a more supportive experience compared to traditional bean-filled chairs. The memory foam adapts to your body, making it ideal for long movie nights, gaming sessions, or even an afternoon nap. With dimensions of 36 inches in diameter and 22 inches in height, this chair is the perfect size for teens and adults. Its modern, dark gray design makes it a stylish addition to any room, whether it's a dorm, living room, or gaming setup. The chair comes vacuum sealed, so you'll need to let it fluff up for about 24 hours before use. Maintenance is straightforward with a cover that's easy to dry clean. While it's a premium option in terms of material and comfort, the chair's higher weight at 23.2 pounds might make it less mobile. Also, the price is not readily available, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. That said, if you're looking for a high-end beanbag with excellent durability and a luxurious feel, the Edujin is an excellent pick. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the KSOY Classic Beanbag Chair with faux rabbit fur cover. This beanbag chair strikes the perfect balance between style and affordability. The faux fur fabric is ultra-soft and skin-friendly, offering a cozy and luxurious feel. It's also OECO-Tech certified, ensuring it's free from harmful substances, making it safe for kids and pets alike. The chair comes pre-filled with just the right amount of memory foam, ensuring it's neither too firm nor too soft. With dimensions of 29 inches in diameter and 18 inches off the ground, this 2.5-foot chair is a great fit for kids, teens, and even petite adults. Its built-in handle makes it easy to move from room to room, whether it's the living room, bedroom, or playroom. The chair is shipped compressed, but quickly regains its shape after unboxing, with minimal effort required. While it's an excellent choice for its price, the medium firm filling might not appeal to those who prefer a super soft seating experience. Additionally, the faux fur fabric, while cozy, may require more careful cleaning than other materials. Overall, the KSOY beanbag offers incredible value and is ideal for anyone looking for a stylish yet budget-friendly seating option. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gazakaya beanbag chair for adults. This is the ultimate premium option on our list, designed for those who value both comfort and style. The ergonomic curved design provides excellent support, making it perfect for lounging, reading, or even napping. The high-resilience foam filling ensures long-lasting comfort without sagging, while the luxurious suede fabric adds a touch of elegance to any space. This chair measures 35 inches in depth, 28 inches in width, and 25 inches in height, making it a substantial and comfortable seating option for adults. The handcrafted button detailing and anti-slip bottom further enhance its aesthetic and functional appeal. Whether you place it in your living room, bedroom, or office, this chair is sure to elevate your space. Plus, it's ready to use right out of the box, no assembly required. The main downside here is the price, as it's the most expensive option on our list at $119.99. However, for the quality and longevity it offers, it's well worth the investment. If you're looking for a high-end beanbag chair that combines durability, comfort, and style, the Gazakaya is hands down the best choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect beanbag chair for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.